step, Balaki Islands. We had to ride a boat to get to this island, and on the way, the boat ride experience is amazing. So after 25 minutes ng boat biyahe, nandito na tayo sa Balaki Island.
Don't hide your face, yeah. Only dreams and the sky is all I wanted. Just have a kiss, yeah. And my dreams next to you is all I wanted. Rest for time, let's go drive to...
Hindi lang ba adventure ang hanap mo, kundi pagtuklas din ng kakaibang yaman? Tara, let's walk along the unspoiled beach, dive into the crystal clear water, and immerse yourself into the serenity of nature. Samahan niyo ako lakbayin ang ganda ng Balaki Island.
It's time for love. It's time for love.
Here in Balaki Island, as you can see, the waters are crystal clear. You can even see the different shades of water. I think they indicate the depth and also the coral reef.
Don't hide your hands, yeah. You can hide the balloon.
Nung unang panahon pa tinatawag nilang Balaki to. Maraming nahuli dito na isda na kaya tinawag na Balaki. Nahuli po dito sa mga paligid nitong island na to. Libre po nang pumunta po dito. At least pag nagpaalam sa LGU, libre silang pumunta dito at mayroon pa silang tour guide. Malinaw po ang paligid nitong Balaki Island. Mayroon kang makikita sa paligid ng Balaki ng mga corals. Yung mga buhangin po dito, malinaw at saka puting-puting siya.
Pag nandito ka sa Balaki Island, aside from the usual luxurious time spending with your family in this white sand island, you can also go fishing, you can also have picnics, and you can also enjoy the beach however you want it to be. The lush serenity creates a picture-perfect setting. Experience the untouched beauty of this coastal paradise. Let's explore Balaki Island's coral reef and its thriving ecosystem. Join me as we go on an adventure under the waves.
Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Balaki Island at nandito po tayo sa area ng mga corals, na magagandang corals.
So ayun guys, kitang-kita ang mga corals dito in all shapes and sizes. Even on the boat, you really can see the reefs because of the clear water. Oh, tingnan mo, ang ganda!
Binabantayan po namin ito dahil isa po ito sa atraksyon ng aming bayan. Marami pong dumadayo dito. Ito nga po yung corals namin, ang isa sa dinadive nila at tinitignan nila kasi magaganda po yung corals namin dito. Pinipreserve po ito namin sa mga susunod na henerasyon.
Balaki Island invites you to escape to a world where the wonders of nature take center stage. With every visit, you'll uncover a new layer of serenity and natural beauty.
Pangasinan!